I'm Dudley Harris. I'd like to invite you to my 2017 Pottery Studio Open House at my home studio, 219 Palo Grande. That's near 281 and Brook Hollow. The dates for this year's show will be December 2, 9, and 10. On December 2 and 9, all sales go to Texas Public Radio. Last year, we raised $20,000 for TPR. And you may be thinking to yourself, wow, that must be expensive pottery. But in fact, that's quite contrary to the truth, because the pottery pieces are quite inexpensive, but we just sold a lot of pieces. So I hope you'll come this year, buy some bowls, and all of your money will go to Texas Public Radio. I work on the potter's wheel with stoneware and porcelain clay. I make pottery that's useful and good to use. It's safe for food, microwave, and dishwasher. Bowls are my specialty, and my pottery style and glazes reflect my study of Japanese folk pottery. I make one kind of bowl that is unique. It's the Japanese drinking bowl. These drinking bowls have been used for serving champagne, wine, and even water at weddings and parties. The guests get to keep the bowls and take them home. This year I'll be demonstrating throwing on the wheel, and I'll be giving tours of my glaze studio and my kiln. Please drop by my studio and help me celebrate another year of making.